So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to add footings to our house. So I'm going to go down to my foundation plan. We've got a couple of things there. I'm going to start with level 1. So there's a couple ways to do this. I just use my shortcut on the keyboard, FT, and it takes me to wall foundation. So I'm just going to click on 36 by 12. If you want to, you can edit the type and make it a different size based on the specifications for your house. I'm not super worried about that right now. I just want to show you how to insert them. So I'm just going to click on this wall here. And now it's saying I have a warning saying that it won't be visible in this floor plan. But that's okay. We'll go and look at it in a second. I'm going to zoom out, click on this one. There we go. So I'm just working on the exterior walls right now. I'm going to go back to our 3D views, kind of see where they showed up. Alrighty. You can see that the line is showing up because it's cutting through. See if you select it. It'll let me. It doesn't select the back one. I wonder if that's because I have a curtain wall. We're going to try one more time. I'm going to hit FT. Yeah, it's not like that. Okay, it looks like I'm going to have to find another view to go work in. Not the foundation one. Bottom of footing might work. We'll try that. Still not loving that. Interesting. There we go. Okay, so that was a little weird. So because we had a curtain wall, I had to select on the footing and drag the length on. So now I have a footing all the way around. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select it and hit select all, so SA for my shortcut. What I'm going to do is I want to see, there we go. Okay, so the thing about footings is you can't change the elevation because it just goes to the bottom of your walls. So I'm going to hit my walls and select all. And the base constraint is the top of footing. That's the base constraint. I want it to be the bottom of footing. I want my top constraint to be the roof. We're going to see what that changes. There we go. Okay, so move down my footing, actually down into the earth, which is where I want it. Now you might have to change your elevations based on height. And again, since this is an example, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. But if I wanted to move it up or down, I'd have to change my elevations in order to move the location of my footings. So that's how you add a footing. That is for just the exterior. Generally, the exterior ones are going to be a little bit wider and longer than the interior, but since this is an example, we're just going to stick with the exterior. If we wanted to do an interior, we just do the same thing, go to our level 1, hit our footing, and select on the walls. So if I go back to my 3D, they should be showing up. Oh, that's my bottom of footing, so that's the problem. Probably want to go to my first floor plan. There we go. Again, it's saying it's not showing up. So if you go back to our 3D, it'll show up there. All right, well, that is how you add a footing. It's pretty simple. Again, you just hit your keyboard shortcut FT really fast, go to the right view, and then you can manipulate the location of it based on your elevations.